and anybody can transfer WhatsApp messages from iPhone to Android or Android to iPhone using the software that I'm going to show you right now. You don't have to be a tech savvy. The software I'm going to use is called dr.fone iOS WhatsApp Transfer. You can get the software from the link given in the description below. This software is available for Windows as well as Mac users. So just go ahead, download and install the software into your computer. After that, open it up. As you can see, this is the interface of the software. This software is one of my favorite software so far. This software is especially designed for Android and iOS devices. With this software, you can do a lot of great stuff, like you can recover any kind of deleted files from your Android and iOS devices. You can transfer data between your phone and your computer. You can also copy data from one phone to another. If you are switching from iPhone to Android or Android to iPhone, you can transfer all your data using this option. You can also backup and restore your phone data to your computer. And one of my favorite features of this software is unlock. With this option, you can remove any kind of lock screen from your Android and iOS devices. In order to transfer WhatsApp messages from one phone to another, click on Restore Social App. With this option, you can also backup and restore your Line, Kik, Viber, and WeChat messages. So I'm just going to go with WhatsApp. Okay, before you start transferring process, first of all, make sure you take a backup of your WhatsApp messages to your computer, just in case something goes wrong during the transferring process. Once you have backed up your WhatsApp messages, you can easily restore back to your iOS device or an Android device. So, in order to transfer WhatsApp messages, just click on this option. Now, you need to connect both your phones to PC with a USB cable. Once your phones are connected, this software will automatically detect them. On the right side, you have your source phone. Now, this is the phone that will send the data. On your left side, you have your destination phone. Now, this is the phone that will receive the data. So in my case, I'm going to transfer WhatsApp messages from my iPhone to Android. So I'm just going to click on flip and it's going to change the order. So now all you have to do is just click on start transfer. Click on yes. If you are using a Google account on your Android device, just type it here. You don't have to type the password. If you are using more than one email, then just type one of them. After that, click on next. Now just wait for the transferring process to complete. This is going to take time depending on how much WhatsApp messages you have on your iOS device. During this process, do not use either of your phones. Just leave them as it is. Okay, now the transfer is completed. Now all you need to do is follow the instructions given by this software. Okay, first of all, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Sign up with your phone number. Next, tap on continue. Just give the permissions. Now all you need to do is tap on restore. After that, you should have all your WhatsApp messages transferred to your new phone. As you can see, these are my messages. During the transferring process, if you face any kind of problem, you don't have to worry. Just contact their support team and they will help you out with your problem. To do that, just click on this menu button. Next, click on Support Center and it's going to take you to Wondershare's Support Center. From here, you can contact their support team and they will help you out with your